Hi there, this is Pedro from investingandweb.com, a website where we help you compare and review different online brokers and trading platforms. In this video, I'll help you understand how you can buy a call option using interactive brokers. So I will guide you through the steps using Apple stock as an example, so that hopefully by the end you will understand how you can execute a call option trade. So step one is to basically open your interactive brokers account. So as you can see here, I have my dashboard, my account is open. If you do not have an account yet, you can check our link in the description below. And you need to make sure that your account lets you trade options, that you have options trading enabled in your account. So to do that, you need to click your profile, then click settings, and then you need to click account trading permissions. So as you can see here, I have options trading level 2 enabled. So if you haven't done this yet, you need to basically request permission, go through a short questionnaire to make sure that you know what you are doing and you are ready to go. And the next step is to actually open the option chain for the instrument that you want to trade. In this case, we want to buy call options of Apple. So we go to the search bar and we just search for Apple. We choose the instrument, which is the second one, and we choose option chain. So you are now looking at the option chain. It might be a bit scary at first, but it's pretty simple to understand. So in the left side, you can see the call options, and in the right side, you can see the put options, so the calls and the puts. We will focus just on the left side since it's the topic of this video. So now you have to choose two things. So the first one is the time. The time is the expiration date, so the date at which the call option disappears or expires. You can check it out here. And the second one is the strike price, so which is the price at which you want to exercise your call option trade. So the higher the strike price, the lower the call option price, but it is also less likely for you to earn money. So the strike price can be seen here in this column. As you can see, Apple is currently trading at around $230. Now let's do our trade. So let's say that we believe Apple in 25 days will be trading at above $260. So in this case, we would choose 25 days and a strike price of 260, and we would click this little cell. In the right side, you can see the order details, so you can see the maximum loss, the break-even price, and your maximum return. You can also see other relevant info, such as your probability of profit, the commission that you would be charged, and also a graph showing various scenarios. Now we click Order, and we need to choose the order details. First, choose the number of contracts that you want to buy, and you shouldn't forget that one contract equals to 100 shares. So in reality, the price is times 100. So in this case, we will be just buying one call option. So as for the order type, you can either choose a market order or a limit order. In this case, we will choose a limit order, and the limit price will be a bit below the current price. So in this case, we just choose 0.46. And finally, click Preview. So now you can see a quick preview of your order. So you can see the amount, the commissions and fees that you would be charged. And if you are okay with this, just click Submit by Order. And that's it. As you saw, it's pretty simple. The process is quite similar for other stock option trades, but feel free to ask us in the comments below if you have any questions or any feedback. You should also be aware that stock options is a complex financial instrument. It's a leveraged instrument, so you should use it carefully. It's a zero-sum game and most people lose money. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one, and I hope we helped. See you next time.